It's easy to stack your Bud stack racks to make a secure, larger unit. Here's how to do it. Prior to stacking, each unit should be completely assembled. To prepare for stacking, remove the 4 top screws from the bottom unit and the 4 bottom screws from the top unit. Be sure that all stacked units are of the same panel height. Place a clip nut 4 holes in from each corner on the bottom unit. Then lift the second unit onto the first and just screw them together using the holes that have the clip nuts. As an option, if you would like to maximize the panel space, you can remove the 2 front cross beams in the center of the combined unit. The cross beams at the top and bottom of the combined unit must remain. In the back, you may remove one of the 2 center cross beams. For every level where there's no longer a cross beam, you will need to install an internal connecting bracket, the 44-BT, on the inside. Just put 2 clip nuts on each of these brackets. If there is a cross beam, then just remove the outside screws of that cross beam. If using the rack in the horizontal position, 17.5-inch panel space, add the larger connector mounting bracket. If using the rack in the vertical position, 21-inch, add the shorter mounting bracket. Add the outside mounting brackets just by reattaching all the screws, and that's it. If you want to create a third level, just repeat this procedure. If you have any questions, please contact us at 440-946-3200 or chat with us at www.budend.com. Thank you.